Walk me through the drop. I mean, you see investors like loving Tesla bonds, even if they didn't want it. Do they come in and buy?
Exactly. Yeah, that's kind of been from the start wondering why would you buy a company that makes no money, especially in bond worlds when really you only care about getting paid back. It's not like you're the equity investor and you care about a stock that's flying so high. So that's been a concern really since August. And when the downgrade came last week, I think that really just put all those fears right, in the center spotlight again, especially as we come up this week on the production figures, which everyone has their eyes on.
Well, and Molly, this is a real consequence if you own a Tesla bond, no question. It's also a real consequence to Tesla because they need to raise more money. They're burning through money as fast as you can imagine. They got to go back into the market.
Well, that exactly makes you wonder, how are they going to do it next? Elon has been so creative, has gone through about every avenue of raising money so far that you could possibly imagine. And that's what investors are looking to next. I think from people who I've spoken to, they seem to think a secured bond sale would be next, maybe, leading some of the bonds against the Gigafactory, which is really where all of the value would be for a bondholder and would certainly give you some more comfort going into.
Like an asset-backed kind of bond to the Gigafactory?
Well, they already do have some ABS outstanding, but this would just be a secured bond sale, exactly. So right now in an unsecured, you're not really getting, you have a claim on nothing. The only thing that's below you right now is the equity, which isn't doing that great either.
They also have been able to stay a little bit ahead of the sheriff by selling the options to buy the Model 3. If in fact the numbers come out bad, now maybe they'll come out great, but in fact they are disappointing once again, it's going to be harder and harder to get the next group of people, whether it's on the trucks or it's on the cars, to put up their money against the possibility of getting a car or a truck.
And that's exactly been the struggle so far. How are you going to sell the story? The dream is out there. Elon's out there. He's been selling the charm exactly to the investors, the story that we know. But there still has to be a proof of concept. Are you going to hit that target of however many Model 3s a week that it's going to be? And right now, that's the main question. Is this going to be a mass vehicle, or can you really hit those numbers?